Do you think formatting applies to the whole document? Not today. Watch me change just one page while the rest stays untouched like magic. So right over here you can see I have this document and I want this literature review section to be in a landscape mode with 2 columns. Normally what happens if you apply a particular formatting to a section, it gets applied to the whole of the document or a part of the document. For example, I'm keeping my cursor right over here and going to Layout tab and choosing this landscape orientation. Now the orientation of my page documents gets changed to landscape mode like this. Let me get back to portrait mode. Since I want to apply landscape orientation with the 2 columns to just this section, that is literature review, which is spread on 2 pages. So I'll keep my cursor right over here, then go to Layout tab. And here we have this option breaks, and I'm going to choose this option continuous. Continuous means the section breaks starts at this particular page. Let me click over here. Doesn't look like anything has happened, but I'll show you there is something changed right under it. Now I'll go to the point where I want the orientation of the pages to be changed. So I'll keep my cursor right over here. Again, go to Layout tab, breaks. Again, I'll choose this section break continuous. Now click on Home tab and click on Show Hide button, and here you can see we have section break continuous. Let me go back, and again over here you can see we have section break. Let me turn off the Show Hide markers, and I'm gonna keep my cursor right over here, go again to Layout tab, and I'm gonna change the orientation from portrait to landscape, and there you go. You can see it has affected only this particular section and the rest of the document is clearly the same. Now, similarly, I'm gonna apply 2 column formatting to this section as well. I'm gonna choose 2, and there you can see it has been applied only to this section, and rest of the page carries the overall formatting this document is carrying. So this is how you can easily change the formatting of a particular section or a page in Microsoft Word. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.